Now we're going to add a little bit of white on the inside of our text here. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and grab our layer here and hold down our Alt-Option key, our Command key, right here in the center of our text here, and we'll select it. As you can see, it's going to select all of our text here. What we're going to say is, let's go into Select, let's go to Modify, let's contract this a little bit. 3 pixels, let's contract it by 6 pixels. Is it okay? Yeah, it looks alright. We'll stick with that for right now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a new layer. So come down here and press this new layer button right here. There's our new layer. And what we're going to do is we're going to fill it with white. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit D to go back into our black and white, and we're going to hold down Command, Delete, and that's going to fill us with our white color like so. Now we're going to have to blur the white a little bit. So let's actually, you know what? We'll pause here and we'll pick that part up in the next part.